So here where you are going to brother. Save my $450 million because life depends on it. And that includes your one.
Boy, I eat that, man. They want to catch you and kill your backside, you know what I'm saying? See? Tell you? Really?
I won't tell you to listen.
I think if you digest my food. Alright. Let's get this over with. It open.
Yes, man. So I notice, you know, man, some nice plastic come import, you know. 100 days warranty, you know, man. It just make the place look good. Place set good, you know, and spare no expense, but if I spend money and fix up the place good.
A good look still. First, me I see something like this. And I time I think a board, you know, if I never see a plastic, would be able to figure it out.
Yeah, brother. We not spare no expense. You know what I mean? We just want some people forget this ball are rolling. Start out the program good. So forward now. Yeah, get them all there.
Yo, all these shops are bad, man. I chop on and say for man. Yo, you have to go deal with them things and they charge you extra.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, brother, you have to go fix up them things, man. You see me? You want to spend more in a lawsuit that way you spend and fix up the building.
Yo, John, you're right, you know. When I time them, I definitely have to talk to the workman about this. It's dangerous, man.
Father, for sure them over here, so too. All them look too sharp.
Yeah, man, that's true. Definitely about to talk to them about this. Yeah, so gentlemen, wanna think about the place?
Place look good, man. No doubt about that. But right now, I really just want to talk about it.
So, you have a problem with the contract?
Not the whole of the contract, you know. Just certain section.
Name the section them.
This is section 2. I sure say if anything damaged on the property, I will respond to that.
But brother, I know one place. We just run it off. So I won't have to go deal with that though.
Yeah, but we have planned from pay on a month time. I have to keep on care the place.
I don't feel we can take on that part that's still in a brother. You see me, if we damage something now, we can't responsible for that. But if people come up here and damage things, brother, we can't responsible for that. So yeah, I try to say. So all them things we are point out too now. If people are party and then for damage the people them, are we have a response to that too?
What was we not saying now? I talked to the lawyer and make them do some adjustment.
Mr. Xpressionz, to what do I owe the pleasure? Because the last time I checked, we're no longer in business.
What's she there?
She? She who?
Wallace, you play a very dangerous game, you know. I say, what's she there?
She, you keep using that pronoun. You know, you might want to try they, her, it. Alright, she. Which she you talking about? Your girlfriend? You lose a girlfriend?
Carlton, you're supposed to know better than this. When you play with a man's family, you play with him life.
Interesting. So, you know this, yet still, you keep playing with people's family.
Carlton, what you talk about?
Really? Oh, so you're coming for insult me intelligence. Look here, if that you're gonna do, you can leave.
What my daughter and her mother there?
Section 3, number 4. We have to hear 3 months notice if we decide to step down from our position.
Normal thing that, brother. Some place, all I hear.
So brother, if we get something for do in space of the 3 months, then what you are trying to tell me say? We have to go stay and we can't get to go do nothing else?
I know that me I say, brother. But you have to remember, say the place so I'm working in is a very delicate area. So people are gonna need training at least 3 months. So you can do what you can do, you know what I mean?
No, that's what you're saying. So, if you wanna get nobody in space for that 3 months, then we have to go stay on one extra 3 months, or else we're not gonna get the food.
But now say you have to stay on for the whole 3 months. When you can train somebody within a month or 2 weeks, I'm alright with that.
So you better want to just advertise that, man, and get somebody with experience, man.
Come on, brother, man. Remember, this is a special area, And anybody who can get enough to do this, who can just advertise and get people from UTech or US to do this. I want to have to train them.
Alright, bad bro. Just one thing more you put in your contract. So we only obligated to 1 month to train somebody after 3 months.